Let's learn how to use application as pop-up view. Now I open some applications. Now I open my Google Play. After, you can press your recent key button. Now press your app top middle area this ball icon and click on open in pop-up view option. After, you can use this application as pop-up view mode. This is very good feature. You can drag and move this application like this. If you want to do multiple things using this mobile, you can use this pop-up view mode. It is very easy to use on mobile and we can do more things in same time.